Hello, I'm Pavel Nestorovic and I'm the co-founder of Fixalert. Fixalert automate processes. We do have an easy interface for everyone in a company without the need of an app, and through that interface anyone can communicate any kind of problem. System broke down, some printers not working, factory line stopped working, and we will find for you the person to address, and we will determine where you are, at which location. We have also possibility to report the problem simply by taking a picture. You can take a snapshot of the broken light bulb. You don't even need to write anything. So when I enter the space here, I definitely feel ease and a nice environment to work because there is everything you need. I think the most valuable of this space is the community, and that you basically feel like you can discuss things, you can be open. We are hoping with this program to finding new technologies that can support our current technology, finding new contacts who can test with us. Telecom and Hubraum, they know a lot of people, they know a lot of different technologies. I don't yet know which technology will help us, but I'm hopeful to go to that edge and find them.